Breaking news, and this is with regards to an update coming in within the Emblem Rao story, which has now come out to spark political firestorm, only intensifying. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, Mehbooba Mufti have come out to defend vandals, which we'd already, in fact, been bringing to your focus as to what has been said. BJP, however, has now come out to launch an all-out attack on both parties, NC and PDP. BJP has said this is utter disrespect to the national emblem by Chief Minister and Mehbooba Mufti. They've also said the real face of India bloc has gotten exposed. Opposition is creating divide in the country. This is opposition's bid to dilute nationalism. So these are some of the remarks that's coming in from the BJP. We even have a reaction on this. Let's listen in to what the BJP has to say.
कि हम इन दोनों नेताओं से साफ और इंडी गठबंधन के सारे दलों से साफ और स्पष्ट जवाब चाहते हैं कि भारत की पहचान के प्रतीक, भारत के सम्मान के प्रतीक, भारत के इस निशान पर हुए ऐसे आक्रमण के बचाव का जो प्रयास हुआ है, इस पर आपको देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए.
Mir Farid joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Mir, a very good morning to you. We've been keeping a track of all the developments in this very story, and the BJP has only been upping its ante, intensifying their demand of an apology from both the parties, in fact, the opposition at large. But you know, some of the comments that have come in from both the Chief Minister and even a leader like Mehbooba Mufti herself, it does fuel the controversy a little further, given that this is the national emblem in question that we are speaking of.
Well, Shreya, it's a full-blown political as well as religious controversy, not only in Kashmir, but now in Jammu as well, because more and more people are jumping into the fray, into this controversy, especially tall political leaders. We know it started when a plaque, inauguration plaque, which had an Ashoka emblem on this, was vandalized by the people, in fact, protesters. Then the Waqf board chairperson rushed to the location, she addressed press and targeted a national conference, blaming them, calling this as not spontaneous, but very well planned conspiracy, because the NC can't see there's good work being done under a BJP leaders and a BJP leader, and the Waqf has been doing some great job as far as shrines and mosques are concerned. Post that, we know the National Conference reacted, and then one after the other, political leaders, Mehbooba Mufti and everyone jumped into the fray. And in fact, they targeted the government, the LG administration, for lodging an FIR against the people, because according to them, this was clearly an incident where the religious sentiments were hurt, and it was all spontaneous. FIR was not needed. The police sources also initially said that the people who did it had no idea what this was, and they did not know that, in fact, vandalizing the Ashoka emblem would basically bring the might of law on them. So that was also one version, but then we know FIR has been lodged. And now, one after the other, now senior BJP leadership also coming to back the Waqf chairperson, saying that Mehbooba Mufti and Omar Abdullah, they have misplaced priorities, and they want to bring back the gun culture, stone pelting violence in Kashmir, which is calm, which is seeing its period of stability, peace. So these statements are coming in thick and fast, but a controversy that clearly has blown out of proportion, and it's snowballing still, as more and more political leaders are reacting.
It indeed has been snowballing with each passing hour at this given point. Mir, thank you for putting it into context and bringing us all the latest on this. And with that, viewers, let's actually take you through all that's happened so far, which led to the culmination of the current circumstances. 2 days after a mob vandalized a renovation plaque bearing the national emblem at the Hazrat Bal Mosque in Jammu and Kashmir, the Srinagar cops have accessed the CCTV footage, and they have also come out to detain 26 people in connection with the vandalism. The mob, armed with stones, defiled the national emblem, as can be seen in the visuals, on a plaque placed outside the main prayer room following the Friday prayers. Meanwhile, politics over the incident has been snowballing. The BJP has alleged that the incident was pre-planned and has labelled it as an act of terrorism. It has escalated its attack on the NC and the PDP, alleging that their leaders' statements reflect a nefarious mindset. Well, what are they referring to? Well, the BJP has sought an apology from both Mehbooba Mufti and Omar Abdullah, the chief minister, at this given point. As earlier, Mehbooba Mufti defended these very vandals and demanded action against those who installed the emblem at Hazrat Bal. Even Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister joined and echoed similar sentiments and tone, saying that there was no need to install an emblem at the shrine in the first place. Even Kashmir Grand Mufti Nasir ul Islam has echoed the same stance. Here are some of the reaction in terms of what has exactly been said by some of these political leaders.
उस पत्थर पे एम्बलम लगना चाहिए था या नहीं लगना चाहिए था, पहले तो वो सवाल बनता है। मैंने अभी तक किसी भी मजहबी दायरे में किसी भी फंक्शन में इस तरह का एम्बलम का इस्तेमाल होते हुए नहीं देखा है। तो क्या मजबूरी बनी थी कि हज़रत बल के इस प्रोग्राम इस पत्थर पे एक तो एम्बलम इस्तेमाल और फिर पत्थर लगाने की क्या ज़रूरत थी ना? क्या काम काफ़ी नहीं था? दरगाह हज़रत बल को ये सूरत जो है, ये शक्ल शेर कश्मीर शेख मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला ने दिया था। मुझे तो बताइए ना, कहीं पे उन्होंने ऐसा पत्थर लगाया? आज भी लोग उनके काम को याद करते हैं, इस बात के बावजूद कि उन्होंने वहाँ अपने नाम का कोई पत्थर नहीं लगाया। पत्थर लगाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी। अगर काम सही होता तो लोग खुद ब खुद उस काम को पहचान लेते।
उसके खिलाफ एक्शन होना चाहिए। जो अवकाफ के जिन्होंने ये लगाया, जिन्होंने किया, जो ये एक फैला रहे हैं कि इन्होंने जी मुल्क का जो एम्बलम है उसको तोड़ने की कोशिश की, मुल्क के एम्बलम को तोड़ने की कोशिश नहीं की, बल्कि हमारे मज़हब में बुत परस्ती का जो के खिलाफ हमारा मज़हब है, तो वो उसके खिलाफ लोग थे कि ये क्यों लगा वहाँ पर। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये कहना कि भाई इनको पब्लिक सेफ्टी एक्ट के अंदर बंद करना चाहिए, टेररिस्ट हैं, मैं तो कहती हूँ उनके खिलाफ एक्शन होना चाहिए सेक्शन 295A के अंडर, बिकॉज दिस इज़ ब्लास्फेमी फॉर अस।
आसार शरीफ हज़रत बल की अहमियत और हसासियत के पेश नज़र क्या मोहतात रहने की ज़रूरत न थी, जबकि नेशनल एम्बलम के बगैर भी काम चल सकता था। वक्फ के मुंतज़मीन और मौजूदा उलमा, अइम्मा हज़रात आसार शरीफ हज़रत बल के ने मुसलमानों की जज्बाती वाबस्तगी से मुकम्मल तौर पर वाकिफ़ होने के बावजूद फितना व फसाद से बचने की तदाबीर इख्तियार नहीं की, जबकि वो जानते थे कि नेशनल एम्बलम के नस्ब किए जाने के बाद नताइज किस कदर ख़तरनाक होंगे।
हज़रत बल दरगाह हो या और भी तमाम जो धार्मिक स्थल होते हैं, उनके अपने व्यवस्था होती है, उनके अपने जो भी सिस्टम होता है, उनका सबको सम्मान करना चाहिए। और ये मैं मानता हूँ कि देखिए, ना पत्थरबाजी का मैं समर्थक हूँ और ना ही जो है वो किसी राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए पत्थर कोई गाड़ दे वहाँ पर, उसका भी मैं पक्षधर हूँ।